Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open the Google Docs file and confirm you're in the right account. Once done, inspect File Page Setup to see margin sizes and orientation so you know constraints. Next, decide which approach fits your goal. Insert more content, reduce spacing, or force a new page with a page break. You'll take the fastest, least destructive path first. If you need continuous text growth, add content and use spacing adjustments described next. Now extend the document deliberately. Use Insert Break Page Break to add a clean new page exactly where you need it, which preserves formatting. If content is sparse, adjust format line and paragraph spacing. Lower paragraph spacing and set line height slightly less to pack more text without hurting readability. Make sure to check File Page Setup and consider reducing margins or switching paper size to fit more material per page. These changes immediately increase usable space. To finish, preview the layout with Print Preview so you see true page breaks and can correct isolated widows or orphaned headings manually. Once done, use the document outline to jump to problem areas and apply single or double spacing where appropriate for consistency. If formatting misbehaves, try Refresh. Use clear formatting on affected text, or copy everything into a clean new document. This often resolves stubborn layout glitches. Make sure to save and check again before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.